Welcome back to the Privatized Banking Project. Have you ever wondered if cryptocurrency is worth your attention, or even your hard-earned money? Today, I'll share exactly why crypto might deserve a spot in your financial plan. First, cryptocurrency provides something that traditional banks simply can't: complete financial independence. With crypto, you have total control over your money. No middlemen, no banks charging hidden fees, just you, your wallet, and direct access to your funds anytime, anywhere. Second, investing in crypto allows you to participate in the growth of groundbreaking technology. Think about the early days of the internet. Those who saw its potential early were rewarded tremendously. Crypto today offers similar opportunities, giving you a chance to invest in technologies like blockchain, decentralized finance, and digital currencies, all of which could reshape our financial future. Third, cryptocurrency can serve as an effective diversification tool for your investment portfolio. Traditional assets like stocks and real estate often move in similar patterns. Crypto, on the other hand, typically behaves differently, which can help balance your portfolio during market swings. Another powerful reason is inflation protection. With traditional currencies, government and central banks can print more money, potentially devaluing your savings. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have capped supplies, meaning they can't be inflated away. This scarcity gives crypto inherent value and makes it a powerful hedge against inflation. Now, it's important to mention, crypto investing does come with risks. Prices can be highly volatile, and not every crypto project will succeed. That's why starting small, doing thorough research, and investing only what you're comfortable losing is crucial. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future, exploring crypto is a smart move. The possibilities are vast, and the financial freedom offered by cryptocurrency aligns perfect with the principles we advocate here at the Privatized Banking Project. Ready to dive deeper? Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Have questions or thoughts? Leave them in the comments. I love hearing from you. Thanks for joining me today. Let's build your financial future together.